is going on, guys? It's B15 Productions here with a quick video for you guys. I will be reviewing this Magnaflow muffler that I got from my car. The item number for this muffler is 14829. These usually run for about $170. Some websites offer it for free shipping and no tax. I had to pay tax on mine, so be aware of where you purchase this muffler. This muffler comes with a 2 1/4 inch inlet piping and a 4-inch tip. And the car that I will be installing this muffler is a 2002 Nissan Sentra. It is the 1.8 liter engine model, so it's not the 2.5 SCR model. It is the 1.8. Usually people get that confused sometimes. The only thing that I will be installing is the muffler on my car. The resonator is staying, the catalytic converter is also staying, and the original piping is also staying. So everything else is going to stay the same as how it was before. I'm just going to change the muffler on my car. The clips that I'll be showing are the before. First I'm going to show how the car sounds like without this muffler, with the stock one. So I'll be the startup, a quick rev, and an acceleration video. And then I'm gonna do the same thing for when the muffler is installed, and I'll compare. You guys will hear the difference in sound. So if you guys like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, comment them down below, and I'll be sure to answer them as quick as I can. And stay tuned for the next video. Thanks, guys. See ya.